wasn't very nice.
Better luck next time. It's okay, Jai. No matter how big the challenge, as long as you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything. Just like David and Goliath. David and Goliath?
Hey!
David and Goliath, never backing down in the face of giants, turn into a lion. God is on my side, so it's no denying. I can hit him from distance, and you know I ain't missing. Talking right between the eyes, I'm a blurriest vision. Oh, you gotta be kidding, wanna threaten my village? I slay giants all the time, this is not the beginning. I could do anything, you should see what I did. With a rock and a sling, all you saw was a kid. They mistook me for weak, couldn't see my strength. They didn't want me to win, God did. I'm a young leader, in God I'm a believer. Put your trust in Him and He'll never leave you. Even when your fears wanna make you doubt, you know who to call when a giant tryna take you out. David and Goliath, never backing down in the face of giants, turn into a lion. God is on my side, so it's no denying.
I'm ready. Round two. I'm gonna tell my mom. Yeah, way to go, Jai.
David and Goliath, never backing down in the face of giants.
Thanks for watching Jules TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe.